Have you ever wondered what part of your brain is responsible for the things you do without thinking, like breathing or maintaining your heartbeat? This vital control center is known as the brainstem, nestled right between your brain and spinal cord. It's like the grand central station of your nervous system, coordinating the traffic of signals between the brain and body. The brainstem doesn't just play the role of a messenger. It's also in charge of some of the most basic yet crucial functions that keep us alive and well. It's like a behind-the-scenes director, silently managing the rhythm of our breathing, the steady beat of our hearts, and even the pressure of blood coursing through our veins. The brainstem is always on duty, diligently performing these tasks without any conscious input from us. So it's clear that the brainstem plays a vital role in keeping us alive and functioning, even when we're not aware of it. But what happens when this crucial part of our brain gets injured? Picture a bustling city suddenly plunged into darkness because its power grid has been damaged. That's akin to what happens with a brainstem injury. As it controls vital functions, damage to the brainstem can lead to severe and potentially life-threatening conditions. Imagine being fully aware, but unable to move or communicate. This is the reality for those with locked-in syndrome, a condition often caused by brainstem injuries. Or consider the frightening prospect of losing control over your breathing or heartbeat. The brainstem's intricate structure only compounds these issues, making treatment a formidable challenge. It's like trying to fix a complex circuit board without causing further damage. The stakes are high and the room for error is minimal. Brainstem injuries, therefore, can have devastating impacts, and treating them presents a significant challenge for medical professionals. So, what are the key points to remember about the brainstem? Well, first and foremost, the brainstem is like the control center of our bodies. It's responsible for managing those automatic functions we barely give a second thought to, like breathing and maintaining a steady heartbeat, things we absolutely cannot live without. But the brainstem is not invincible. Injuries to this area can lead to serious consequences, disrupting these autonomic functions and posing significant challenges for treatment. This is why understanding the brainstem, its functions, and potential injuries is so critical. For medical students and professionals, this knowledge is not just academic, it's a matter of life and death. It aids in diagnosing and treating various neurological conditions. Remember, the brainstem may be small, but its role in our bodies is monumental. Without it, we wouldn't be able to do even the most basic tasks necessary for survival.